3D5 my life here. I'm back with another video. It's been a while because I've been doing the live stream and also the printer. So Linux on the Voron 2.4 is working very well. Previously I managed to print this rocker gnome in 3 color, because right now I only have 3 toolhead and the quality is very good. Right, still need maybe some fine tuning because of the adaptive layer, temp, all this, right? So we're going to fine tune further, but quality is very good. So it's a success. And also the Linux that I'm using now is running the CNC Linux carriage. It's also working very well. There are some changes that I made to the CNC carriage based on what I observe, and that will also be updated inside our GitHub. So right now it's printing this Majoras mask, but in only 2 color, because I have yet to make all the 6 colors available. Now I only have 4 toolhead, but 1 toolhead is without the umbilical because the wires are not here yet. So after that I will slowly do up all the toolhead and then we can do another print. But after this, the next project will be this, continuing on the Linux Sling, because I think I'm not going to do on the VisiBoard yet, because there's a lot of guys using fixed gantry printers available in our Discord channel. A lot of them have made already fixed gantry printers. So since the 2.4 is already ready, next I'm going to do the update of our Linux Link. So we will proceed with this project next, and you can fit 4 toolhead actually down here with the new setup. So this will be 4 toolhead on the Linux Enderwire. This is Voron Enderwire. It's actually derived from Creality Ender 3 and then converted to an Enderwire, and we're going to run Linux on it as well. It's already a success, but we're going to change the setup to use belt instead of the gear and track, pinion and track. Yeah, so we're going to change that. For the Linux Hive, as you can see, as it goes higher, this one is 250 mm extension, but I have removed the top cover so that the umbilical can clear. So we need to add another 100 mm extension. So total will be 350 mm extension to the top, which is the best height. I already measured it out. So that instead of extending, I will just make a top head cover like this, like the VisiBoard one, to cover on top 100 mm. Right, so that will be the solution for this. And everything is printing very good, printing very well. Here's the quality at the moment. This Majora mask has been printing for, let me see, 5 hours and printing for 20 hours 1 minute, and we have 5 hours and a half to go. Total time is 1 day and 2 hours 39 minutes to print this model. It's a 2 color model because I don't have a lot of colors yet. So it's been running for how long? It's been running for 20 hours now. Yeah, so we have a few more hours to go. After that we will take a look at the result as usual after the videos, and so we will proceed next with the Linux Link. Yeah guys, this will be the best setup for Linux Link. I already shared the cat inside the Discord channel. If you guys want to have a look first, this is the old version of our Linux system. The old version, this is R Linux, or not R, this is Linux 1, the first version, because you're using the 6 magnet. Linux R2, yeah. So we're going to change that to the Linux latest Linux stuff as well, and we're going to redo all the printed parts as well. I want to change color on this, and then this front screen also, just now when I carried down, pop off. I need to reprint everything back. I want a different color. The picky mount as well has changed. It will be mounted directly on the gantry. so that you don't need additional Z and stop. So it will be much more simpler, and we'll run this on BTC as well. Alright guys,
one eternity later.
okay guys, after 25 hours and 13 minutes, 25 hours 17 minutes, expected slice by Orca is 1 day 2 hours, so 26 hours 39 minutes, but overall it took 25 hours 17 minutes to finish. This is the Majora mask from Legend of Zelda, 2-color print. And as you see here, this is the problem with the prime tower. It's shaking this way just now when it was doing the priming, so I have to tape it down to save it. So it start from somewhere, start from here, and causes the line there. There's a line there, but the good thing is the model is has a lot of lines, so it hides the imperfection quite well. But just the finished product, and because of the prime tower just now, it caused a bit of stringing, just a little bit down here. That's because of the prime tower, but overall it's quite good. Let me try to remove it. I don't know whether it's still hot. Yeah, it's still hot. I think I will remove this once it cool down in a while, right?
A few moments later.
Okay, I've removed the prime tower, so I think this should be it's quite heavy. This thing is quite heavy. Okay, let's take a look at the quality first. The quality all looks very good. Quality all looks very good. As usual, you can rely on magnets. There are people who say you can't rely on magnets. The inside is, these are all overhangs, but since they are on the inside, I don't bother to add supports. Doesn't matter. And the inside as well looks very good. So you can see here, I think just now where the prime tower failed, because the under extrusion. But so far this piece looks good. Let me try to take this out. This, and I remove this. Try to bend. Okay, the other piece also looks very good. And same for the inside, the supports, not enough supports. I don't add supports. This is based on the profile that was given in the printables page. I will share the page below. It's using a 0.3 profile, but I'm using 0.28 stock profile. That's 0.28. 5 top, 5 bottom, 3 walls, 4 walls, or is it 4 top? I can't remember. It looks good as well. Let's put this aside here. These are the 2 horns. This will be glued on to the model here later. These are the 2 spare horns. Yeah. So if we lie it down, let's try to remove the brick. Quick removal, just to test when we join the parts together. We connect the parts together. Hold on, it's difficult for me to hold the camera while holding this. Okay, I removed the brim from that one. Let's remove the brim from this one. Don't mind the sound of the fan. It's my fan right beside me. There's a fan right beside me down here. Let me cover up with the door. Okay, so this is part 1. This is the other part here. This is quite a big ring. It was about 197 mm high. I think this will be glue here. I don't know how to glue it. Maybe just use a normal super glue. And how it glued also together, I don't know. But this is basically how it looks like. Look at that, guys. Let me try to get it from the top. This is a very good quality, yeah. So Linux tool changer does the job. But so far everything looks very good here. You can see it here. So there's nothing wrong with the quality that it can produce, yeah. Okay, so as usual, the next part will be bed slinger, Linux sling. So I will do a teardown of this maybe during the live stream. I just do a normal teardown, answer any questions if you might have, or I just do a slowly teardown, and once it's ready to be built, I will build it on the live stream as well. Alright, so see you guys on the next video. Alright, bye.